Hello everyone, it is Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance YNL Sway. The song is Sway, the artist is MAJID Jordan, the choreography is Brandon Hawkins. If you or someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, if you're interested in the step-by-step instruction for this dance, I'll post it at the end of this video. And let's go. And there you go, YNL Sway. I walked towards you, but you're supposed to go back to the front. All right, guys, my name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.